And you know we about to do another unboxing. Draw the curtain, man. And yeah, you know we out in Arizona, Scottsdale. You know, luxury designers. Let's see here what we got, man. First thing to go, man, with the pastels, man. You feel me? Just gonna go with them light blue Jordans. That's that banana yellow. That's that mint with that pink. Pop it open. You got that PG. You got that mint G. You got that coffee G. That blue G. And come down here, man. The horse bit bites. You feel me? And the reason why they show this horse bit off so much is they actually invented it. And people all started using it. Gucci was the first, but you know, it's got the scarf right here. You know, I'm about to fly back to California. I don't want to take a bunch of boxes and shit, cause I ain't gonna do all that goddamn shit. Oh, he blessed me. He threw a bag in there for me, so now everybody who don't make sure I got a dust bag for my hat is trying to get me. Gave me the shoe on, you feel me? Shout out to Gucci, Scottsdale. This was on the fashion show. This had just came out. This ain't even hit all the Gucci stores yet. And online. But yeah. Damn. And that's it, man. You feel me? It's my little unboxing.